A second element in the transformation in the sector relates to the repeal of interest rate caps that happened November 7. And here, I think there is a lot of maybe uncertainty, a lot of uncertainties from the perspective of the population. And I would want to remind and indeed emphasize to the population that this time will be different in terms of the way the banks will react. And we have explained that they are not going back to the same old ways of the past, the Wild West kind of banditry. No, they need to be responsible, and we have explained to them exactly how they need to be responsible. And it is our business to communicate this to the population, and so that they can realize that actually they should be number one with regard to banks, because banks should be becoming more customer-centric. That's the one thing, that actually they will be pricing their loans appropriately, meaning in line with my risk, right? And they have to assess my risk, not randomly, but in a sort of a structured way, so that they can say, I am more risky than the person next to me by this amount and so forth. And also other things related to transparency, that they will tell me what is let's say, what are they offering others, and what are they offering me. And gone are the times when they say, it's this, take it or leave it. And if you don't come back in 6 hours, this deal is off the table. That's sort of been, let's say, rushed into a decision, does not speak to customer centricity.